Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Sean Komoto and welcome to the 98th floor. Today we are joined by Jill Nepper Schenitzer. Absolute pleasure to be with you here today. I'm so thankful for the opportunity to be able to tour this jaw-dropping property.
Thank you for coming up to the penthouse at the Ritz Carlton Residences.
Thank you.
Downtown LA, state agent with the Stephanie Younger Group at Compass. We're one of the largest brokerages in all of Los Angeles and have been the top brokerage for the last 2 years. This is the penthouse, unit 51A. It's 3 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, 6,540 square feet, listed at $8,900,090. So I'm super excited to show it to you.
I'm looking forward to it as well.
Welcome to the 51st floor. Come on in.
What was the style or like the mood or the theme that the architect was going for in this specific unit?
It was a very Zen vibe with like a Japanese flair, incorporated a ton of greenery and plants throughout the home. They actually have a gardener who comes to the home just to tend to the plants, which is awesome to help bring some greenery to the 51st floor in the sky. Just the super clean lines, the very neutral colors are stunning. Obviously the views are my favorite part.
That's something I really picked up when I came in here. It's a lot of space, open space, natural lighting. You barely have to keep the artificial lights on. I think the tilted windows as well, it kind of makes you feel like you're in an office space, but then it's personal, it's home. What's your favorite piece of furniture? Like just a small detail in this apartment.
I love the hanging bubble swing. As an ocean lover, anything that reminds me of a bubble makes me happy.
I saw this like last night and I couldn't believe it. Like,
if you want to give it a try.
Because I was skeptical at first. I was like, wow, is it really gonna hold?
Isn't that awesome?
Blackout. This is amazing.
I love it.
It adds a lot of like, I don't know, just like a very artsy touch to the apartment, you know?
Absolutely.
This looks like an office space.
A nickname for the penthouse is the Eagle's Nest. So you'll see this lovely photo of the one and only Luke Wilson. He and Owen Wilson's mother, Laura, is actually a photographer. So this has been passed down from owner to owner and is included with the sale, even though I really want to take it home because I love it. Imagine being on Zoom and seeing someone's background that looks like this.
Not too far from you have the financial district, like just literally right behind you. You have the Pepsi Tower. It's like, you just don't see any point of like being in an actual office. Sort of a wet bar, right?
Yep, and you have a mini fridge down here. There's another one, another wet bar with a mini fridge in the primary bedroom as well. If you're pre-gaming before going to a concert or a sports game at Crypto.com Arena.
And could you conceal this?
Yeah.
I like the detailing in this house. There's a lot of like features that are like low-key, like they're hidden.
And then of course the wine cellar. I haven't seen a walk-in wine cellar like that in any other home.
Climate control, mind you. Climate control. I'm not talking air conditioning. Climate control. We talk about walk-in closets, walk-in this. Walk-in wine cellar. That bathroom just to start off. And you have this,
Walk-in wine cellar.
So, walk-in
wine cellar. Check this out.
No way.
This is actually my favorite detail.
No, this exceeded my expectations. I generally don't.
This is bigger than some bedrooms.
That's what I'm saying. This to me is like, I think the crown jewel of the entire unit. You could fit like 300 bottles easily in here, maybe even more.
I think more. I think there's 2,000 slats.
Oh my God, 2,000.
And it was custom made for this room. So calling all wine collectors, if you need a wine cellar to go with your penthouse, we have it for you. You literally don't have to leave because you can call room service from the Ritz Carlton. You can have the Ritz Carlton's housekeeping come up. This is definitely the nicest wine cellar I've ever seen. When designing the space, they didn't want to take away from the views. So that's why the colors are very muted, natural. However, they did want to bring in some of the outdoors. Overall, we have like the beige colors. So it's not too much and you can really absorb these stunning views.
Yeah, I'm a big fan of like the finishes in the kitchen as well. Like, you have like Gaggenau appliances. It's just very sleek.
Top of the line.
Too much. Top of the line. Like in Gaggenau everywhere. Outside of the, I guess, the wine cellar, and I think this is really cool.
Yeah, it's stunning. And it's in such pristine condition. So the previous owners would lay down towels on the sofas before sitting down to make sure that they stayed as clean as possible.
Oh, wow. Now this is where things get crazy. Let me show you this. You have your bed. It has the illusion of it floating. You know, you kind of have the feeling that like your bed frame or just like your bed, it's just floating. Obviously, you don't want to get kids playing around with this, but I just love the attention to detail.
Above the primary bed, you'll see that there's this really cool pendant light on both sides of the bed, and it's like basically like bubble lights hanging down.
But then on top of that, like I said, you're absolutely spoiled with like the most insane views. You have the crypto, or like, you know, the former Staples Center right here.
You heard of an 8-sleep mattress?
8-sleep mattress?
It's called 8-sleep. It's supposed to be like the coolest, most high-tech mattress you can buy, and it's supposed to help you sleep incredibly. Like it memorizes your body temperature. I think it's like a $5,000 mattress, and you've never really slept in it. If you're going to purchase a brand new one, and this is essentially brand new and never been used, it comes with its own hard drive. I've heard that it is one of the coolest mattresses, and it's supposed to memorize your sleeping patterns and what time you go to sleep, what temperature you like. So pretty awesome.
Right, like this is pretty much like a supercomputer at that point.
Exactly.
Are they like standalone bathtubs?
There's one that's standalone in the primary bathroom, and then there's in one of the other, I guess the other two are built in.
This is quite something. And another thing too, it's crazy, like one would never really picture themselves taking a bath with like these wide panoramic windows. You kind of feel like exposed, right?
Yeah.
But then you kind of get calmed by the fact that like, oh, I'm on the 51st floor. Who's really gonna see me? You know, guys?
This is actually one of my favorite features in the home. It's a hidden bathroom.
This is a bathroom?
This is a bathroom, so you know it's easy to miss this.
Ah, dude, what?
Isn't that cool?
What else are you hiding?
Right?
Well,
That's a closet.
I've never seen like a dining table like this. It's like parted down the middle.
Custom table that was built to fit in this space, and the home's coming furnished, and it goes along with a minimalist, very sleek vibe.
Yeah.
The original owner wanted the space to have a very Japanese influence, feel very Zen.
Yeah.
That's why you'll see these river rocks here and so much greenery throughout. The stones.
I think even just the sound of like, you know,
To have a Zen safe haven in the middle of downtown Los Angeles.
very refreshing. A lot of natural lighting. You have these motorized panel covers that you could use to regulate how much light enters into and out of the property. You could bring the shades down, as you can see. I mean, what more could you ask for? It's literally a work of art. Peloton, anyone? I know the Ritz Carlton offers, you know, an exceptional world-class gym, but like you pretty much have everything you need right here to keep your body in shape. You have some dumbbells, you can like, I don't know, hammer curls, like bicep curls, whatever you need. I was wondering what this room was. I thought it was a storage room of some sort. And to my surprise, it's an actual elevator. And I'm guessing it leads you all the way down to the ground floor?
To the first floor in this unit.
First floor. So it's your own private elevator.
Your own private elevator if you need breakfast in bed, you know, have someone send it up. Yeah.
That's just that.
Thank you so much for coming by.
And honestly, thank you for like allowing us the opportunity to tour this masterpiece of a property. It's been like absolutely breathtaking. I've been inspired by the different styles of architecture, the interior design in here. It's just been absolutely refreshing. So you've been an absolute superstar today. I appreciate you and like the Stephanie Young group for helping in putting this together. I hope you're able to find a buyer for this property. It's an absolute gem. Thank you.
I don't think we'll have an issue with that. Thank you guys so much for your time.